Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to best friend selfie poses in Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, let's open up our Snapchat. Now here, go to your chats. Now make sure to select your friend that you want to best friend with and just click this one right here. Now if you will go to their profile, there you will see your best friend poses. You can also click this picture. You can try it on her outfit. And you can also share this one if you want. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.